Oh yo, here's Dr. Joe. Hello and welcome back to the Dr. Joe Show. After this long period of silence, every Wednesday we are going to post a video about a person with a very rare condition, which are probably either going to be at the morning or in the evening. And that's all for rebuilding the Dr. Joe Show. And tune in soon. So anyway, sorry with being late with the posting and the number of videos per week. But anyway, there's still room for improvement, so please like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Thank you very much.